Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best foldable digital piano 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best foldable digital piano 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Terrence 61-key keyboard piano, ultimate portable digital piano. Discover the perfect blend of performance and portability with the Terrence keyboard piano. Featuring 61 semi-weighted keys that provide a realistic playing feel for both beginners and experienced musicians. Designed with an intuitive LCD display, this digital piano allows for easy navigation through functions and settings. Equipped with a powerful 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted practice or performance, anytime, anywhere. The MIDI USB interface enables seamless connectivity with music production software and learning applications, making it ideal for home studio setups or virtual piano lessons. With Bluetooth support, you can wirelessly connect to popular piano learning apps or stream backing tracks directly from your device, enhancing your practice sessions. Additionally, the built-in sheet music stand provides convenience for students and performers alike. Whether you're practicing at home, performing on the go, or composing your next masterpiece, the Terrence keyboard piano delivers versatility, modern features, and superior playability in a compact, user-friendly design. Experience expressive performance in a lightweight and portable package. Number 2. Folding piano keyboard, 88 keys full-size semi-weighted portable piano. Experience the joy of music anywhere with this 88-key full-size semi-weighted folding piano keyboard. Designed for musicians of all levels, this portable piano offers a realistic playing feel with semi-weighted keys that mimic the touch of an acoustic piano. Its foldable design makes it perfect for travel, practice, or compact home setups. Equipped with an intuitive LCD screen and support for sheet music, this keyboard enhances your learning and performance experience. It features Bluetooth and MIDI USB interface support, allowing seamless connection to music apps, recording software, or virtual instruments for versatile playing and composing. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures hours of playtime without needing to be plugged in. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced player composing on the go, this piano meets your needs with professional-grade features in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Take your music anywhere with the folding piano keyboard, where portability meets performance. Perfect as a gift or a personal instrument, it brings inspiration to your fingertips anytime, anywhere. Number 3. Discover the perfect blend of portability and performance with the FVEREY folding piano keyboard. This 88-key semi-weighted digital piano offers a full-size keyboard experience in a compact, foldable design, ideal for beginners, students, and musicians on the go. Whether you're practicing at home or performing on the road, this electric piano delivers authentic touch and responsive feel with its semi-weighted keys, closely mimicking the action of an acoustic piano. The FVEREY keyboard features rich sound quality, multiple instrument tones, and built-in demo songs to enhance your practice sessions. Included with the piano are a sustained pedal and a stylish handbag, ensuring you're ready to play wherever inspiration strikes. Its rechargeable battery supports hours of uninterrupted playing, while Bluetooth and USB MIDI connectivity make it easy to integrate with music learning apps and recording software. Lightweight yet durable, the folding design allows for easy storage and transportation without sacrificing functionality. Whether you're learning your first notes or composing your next masterpiece, the FVEREY folding piano keyboard is your versatile, space-saving musical companion. Number 4. The Yamaha P45B88 key weighted action digital piano is the perfect choice for aspiring pianists and experienced players alike. Designed with Yamaha's renowned craftsmanship, the P45B offers an authentic piano playing experience with its fully weighted graded hammer standard, JHS, action, which mimics the feel of an acoustic piano, heavier in the low keys and lighter in the high keys. This compact and stylish digital piano delivers rich, detailed sound through Yamaha's advanced wave memory, AWM, sampling technology, capturing the depth and expression of a real concert grand piano. The P45B features 10 different voices, including electric piano, organs, and strings, allowing you to explore a variety of musical styles. It includes essential accessories such as a sustain pedal and power supply, so you can start playing right out of the box. The user-friendly interface and USB to host connectivity make it easy to integrate with music software and learning apps. Ideal for home practice, lessons, or performance, the Yamaha P45B combines quality, simplicity, and value, making it a trusted choice for pianists at every level. Number 5. The Yamaha P71 88-key weighted action digital piano is an Amazon-exclusive model designed for beginners and advanced players alike who seek authentic piano performance in a sleek, space-saving design. Featuring 88 fully weighted keys with Yamaha's graded hammer standard, JHS, action. The P71 replicates the feel of an acoustic piano, offering a natural touch that's ideal for developing proper finger technique. This digital piano includes 10 premium instrument voices, including digitally sampled tones from real Yamaha acoustic grand pianos. In dual mode, you can blend two voices together, such as piano and strings, for a rich, layered sound. Its slim and stylish design fits easily in any room, making it a perfect addition to home studios or living spaces. The P71 comes bundled with a sustain pedal and power adapter, so you're ready to play right out of the box. It also features USB to host connectivity for easy integration with music software and apps. Whether you're practicing, composing, or performing, the Yamaha P71 offers professional sound and feel at an accessible price.